Hey there, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve quite a detailed illustration with only using 4 materials. So I'm going to be using the black Copic marker, a grey lead pencil, a black pencil, any brand is totally fine, and a black fine liner. And with just these 4 simple materials, you'll be able to achieve quite a detailed illustration. I think a lot of people think that you need to have all of the materials. You don't need to have a whole range of Copic markers or a whole set of pencils. You can really achieve and learn with only a few materials, and I really want to demonstrate that today. So keep watching for a time lapse on how to achieve this illustration. copying, you're able to create a pretty cool piece with only a small amount of materials. So I would love to see what you create. Leave any questions you have in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible.